Hi guys, welcome back to our channel and another episode of Under 30 Minutes. Today we're going to do a recipe on Foo Yong egg. First of all, we're going to cut some of the vegetables. Instead of using bean sprout, I'm going to use spring onions. So you cut it in strips. Set it aside. Okay, next we're going to cut the onions. Just use half of it. Slice as thinly as you can. Then set it aside. Okay, next we're going to cut some the mushrooms. You slice it thinly too. For this recipe is very versatile. You can use any ingredients you like. So I chose this ingredient, which is like one of our favorites. And the next, what we do is we cut this barbecue pork. I bought this barbecue pork because we're just using it very little. But if you like, you can actually check out our recipes on our website for how to make barbecue pork using the wok. I'm going to cut it thinly also and then strip it because I don't want chunks of meat inside, so I prefer smaller slices. Should be sufficient. So what you do is you just transfer it here. Okay, ready? Next, you crack 4 eggs into a bowl. You season it with sesame oil, soy sauce, light soy sauce, pinches of salt, and some corn flour. And you whisk it. Okay, now you set aside for later use. So what we're going to do is we're going to fry some of the stuff out, like, because these prawns are raw, so we're going to pan fry a little. Add some oil into the pan. Just flip it around. Make sure the oil is hot. Add in the prawns. Transfer it here, set it aside for later use. Next, we fry the onions. Mushrooms. A little bit more oil. Okay. Its fragrance, we transfer it into the same bowl as the prawns. Next, the chashu or barbecue pork. Just warm it up later. Just clean up this portion. Okay, now you add the oil, maybe 3 tablespoons of oil. And you put the rest of these ingredients into your egg. You mix well. Add in some of the spring onions. Okay. Now the pan should be hot. Just add in the mixture. Let it cook. You try to flip over. I'm not sure whether it's going to well and good. it's like brown too, and then we'll be ready for this. Okay, it's nicely brown, so it's ready. There you go. Our Foo Yong egg.
Hey guys, thank you for watching this season of Under 30 Minutes. Please let us know down in the comments what you want to see for season 2. Please continue to support us by subscribing, liking, and turning on post notifications. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!